Hello people, I'm Somnath Gorai and today we are gonna talk about over the top or OTT platforms in India. So without any sin, let's begin. The first OTT platform in India was Big Hits by Reliance Entertainment. But the first mainstream popular OTT platform that caught everyone's attention in India was Netflix and none other than its show Sacred Games. Soon followed Amazon Prime with Mirzapur in 2018 and Voot with Asur in 2020. The OTT platforms possess both movies and web series. Exclusive Indian web series take the cake over movies. Netflix has a huge library of international content, but when it comes to exclusive content in India, it has been a hit or a miss. A few notable hits of Netflix are Sacred Games, Ghoul, Jamtara and Hasmukh. Now you may not have heard about all of them, but they are definitely good. On the other hand, Amazon Prime has been producing hit after hit in the Indian web series department with Mirzapur, Breathe, Patal Lok, Made in Heaven and so on. And the hype with Mirzapur has been so crazy that even Netflix acknowledges Amazon Prime as one of its prime competitors. This has led to Netflix itself making memes about Mirzapur and, in a way, thanking Amazon Prime for producing such competitive content. Voot has been able to give us Asur, which was one of the most notable web series in 2020. Not just them, but there are many good players in 2020 like MX Player, Sony Live, etc. and also mediocre ones like Alt Balaji. In movies department, Netflix takes the cake with Extraction being the biggest action OTT movie in 2020. However, the biggest hit in 2020 was not Extraction, it was Dil Bechara by late Sushant Singh Rajput. It was released on Hotstar and its estimated revenue was expected to be around 2000 crore. Now that's definitely a big number. However, Hotstar didn't generate this revenue as it gave away the movie for free to everyone to watch it in the memory of late Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, what is the reason of such popularity of OTT platforms in India? Number 1. Good content. The content that people watch on OTT platforms is really good. Otherwise, why would people watch it? To add to this, OTT platforms are more youth-centered. Thus, you can always see your friend talking about his favorite web series on an OTT platform. Number 2. Better actors. The actors that act in shows made on OTT platforms are much better than most of the actors that act in Bollywood. Pankaj Tripathi, Vikrant Massey, Divyendu Sharma, Ali Fazal, etc. etc. They have made their name famous through OTT platforms. And now, these actors are recognized by their character names instead of their original names. I believe this is the greatest an actor can ever achieve. And number 3, last but not the least, the best, there is no censorship in OTT platforms. And this is what makes OTT platforms so good. However, this scenario may soon change. Indian government on 11th November 2020 has ordered OTT platforms to come under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Now, the future of OTT is unclear, and total control of OTT platforms by Indian government may result in total censorship. What is your opinion on this decision by the Indian government? Write down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon.